Hi, my name is Steve Vigil, and this is my audition for Burning Man 2017 Ambient Drummers. I've been going to Burning Man for about 7 years now, and I've done ambient drummers for the last 2 years, and that's always a highlight of my burn. I really love teaching people. I always carry two drums with me to teach whoever wants to learn, basically. And just being part of ambient drummers, it's really cool. Just seeing the faces of 80,000 people just light up, and they stand up and they start smiling, and they really get ramped up and get rambunctious, and it's pretty cool to be in the middle of that. So I really want to be doing that again. I think this year might be my last year going to Burning Man, to the Big Burn at least, for a while. I think it's run its course for me. I think I'm going to concentrate on the local regional burns from now on, and I really want to make the best of this last hurrah, basically. So I would love to be considered for ambient drummers. Yeah, it's been a really cool experience, and I really look forward to it all year. And I really am proud of of what we do, and who we inspire to start drumming, or who we inspire to pick up a drum, or who we inspire to just kind of get up and dance, basically. So anyways, I will play a few selections. I'm a Middle Eastern drummer, and this is the drum I'll be taking with me. I'll just take it with me and carry it slung over my shoulder, so it's really easy and really nice and tacky. But I will start playing. Thank you very much. thank you very much for your consideration, and we will be in touch. Thank you very much. Bye.